हाय एवरीवन। सबसे पहले यार चेक कर लेते हैं क्या हम यूट्यूब पे सॉरी लाइव हैं कि नहीं, और क्या हमारी स्क्रीन सभी को दिख रही है, बिकॉज वी आर टू स्टार्ट विद आवर लाइव सेशन। हेलो अपन और चेक कर लेते हैं वॉइस को। Before starting of the screen share. Okay, so let's start our screen share. Okay, I've started my screen share and okay, so I hope सभी को screen visible है. I've started my screen share. Let me see if सभी को visible है कि नहीं. Yeah, सबको visible है. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. देखिए आज मैंने पूरा फुल स्क्रीन शेयर किया है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डिजिटेक एजुकेशन. टुडे we will be studying about firstly different apps related to our Microsoft Azure course. So first app which we are going to deal with is Power App. Power Apps has many of the options we have. For example, I can create a app from scratch, from a blank app. I can create from Dataverse. I can create from any data. I can create from a SharePoint. I can create from any Excel file or any image file. And if I want to create from a SQL code or so on, I have other many other options I can see for. I can also learn how to create an app. I can also manage my existing apps. And I have also, then I have the option of tables to insert the tables in my app. And I have flows option to create flows for my apps. Many more options I have. Here you can see no apps yet. That means till now using Power Platform, I did not have created any app. But if I want to create an app, I will create an app and it will show. So I will go to new app. I have options to start with Copilot, start with data, start with page design, or start with an app template. Okay, let's start with an app template. That be done with the Android or some app templates I have. So first is the data centered mobile. So if I want to create data centered mobile apps, I can use the following options. Training, but I don't want to create the Power Apps training. So I in fact create the meeting capture. Okay. So let me create one. For example, I can create the meeting capture. Here's the meeting capture. Okay. First, I will name an app name. Okay. So I can name it to live classes. Okay. Live classes. This is our demo app. We can always edit it. Right. And click next. So the app is under development. Let's wait until the app is developed. That's my app, and then it creates my app and opens my app template so that I can to try again. or if it takes time in reloading, so please wait. Like many people, for an example, I will allow it. Right? For now, this is a practical session, so please, guys, um, watch the recording of the session, so you can take the most of the benefit from here. Clicking on go. I need to sign in at Switch account to allow. For now, I will click on don't allow because it's not letting me. Okay, since my and here is my app template. I need to customize it. So here's the welcome screen. Welcome to the meeting app. I already have also customized the app logo from here. So the app logo is showing right now. Meeting capture. I can change the app logo to my own live class. Okay, and it will show me that it is designed for creating live classes, for taking live classes. Or I can also use a setting here live classes from YouTube, from the YouTube studio, or the part of attending the live sessions from YouTube, from anyone's YouTube channel. The live classes are going on, and you can just go on attending the live classes that can be possible. Okay, so it, and further on, I can edit it if I want. If I don't want, I can leave it as it is. Okay, yeah. But for example, you want to share this template to someone. You want to share this template to someone and you don't want that person to edit it. So when you will share, here is an option to disable editing. Okay, so for viewers, this template can be edited then, and then it will only be visible like seeing an app and running it. Okay, so they can see the pages, they can run this app on their PC. Okay, but they cannot edit it. They can in fact download the app. Yeah, for that there will be a requirement of how to convert Power Apps into apps. And this is just a basic overview of how the Power Apps work, or the Power Automate work, or the Power Pages work. I'm not creating a detailed any whole solo session on Power Apps. If you want a whole solo session on Power Apps, you can comment me right now, and that whole solo session on Power Apps will be recorded session because in a live session we don't get much time to do it because Power Apps whole solo session will be included in 5 to 6 to 7 hours. And if I perform it live, actually, the thing is, there are many kind of students, those who have doubts in these kind of things. So I will be focused on clearing up the doubts. So to save time, saying this right now, see the overview of these and be ready for uh, recorded lecture. It will be coming next, and then the doubt session will be coming to you. Yeah, after this practical session 01, that is live, we will have practical session 02. Sorry, any confusions? The recorded sessions, if you guys want, I can play it on live. But happens there are students on live. I do not have any Wi-Fi attached over me here, right? So I run the live class, the live session on data, on the mobile data. Okay, and if in live class um, problem where the data fluctuates. So when the data will fluctuate, the mobile data when it fluctuates, automatically you will be disconnected with the live session. But in the data fluctuates, you can exit the session, watch it later, or you may download it the session and you can watch it offline. So your quality for watching the lecture will not be compromised, which is compromised many times in the live lecture, right? So that is why I'm giving you an overview here, so that you can just overview this lecture, and later on, you can just watch it, record it. Okay, so the session 2 on Power Apps, when it will be coming, is I can tell you from my channel. So if you go to my channel, so the lecture are scheduled till the 17th of the February. Of the February. Okay. So the first lecture on will be practical session, will be this live session. Then which is held today, and will be whole solely on Power Apps. There we will be talking about Power Apps, how to create Power Apps through AI, how to create through templates and all in details. Like here I just opened a blank template and show you, but there I will be creating on by blank templates, different templates we'll be using, and we will be using in that lecture the Copilot. We'll be using to create an app using Copilot. Okay, so that will be a recorded session which you will be getting on 19th February, and thereafter on 21st you will be getting the session on Power Automate. Then on 23rd you will be getting session on Power Pages. Okay, so that will the process. Now let's get started about understanding a brief overview or introductory to Power Automate. And before that, let's talk about the Power Pages. Okay. So Power Apps can be used to build. Is only created for creating the websites or the web pages, right? So you can just click on Get Started and follow the steps to attain to a page to start making websites. Or you can simply open to the Power Apps Studio. Using the Power Apps Studio, you can and then have a option of creating a website. Okay, can on the main screen there is an option of creating a website, so you can just select it and you can just create a website. Now, if I talk about an brief introduction to an app or a website, but it is used for more than that. The Power Automate we use for basically for multiple locations. I can create that flow using Power Automate. So I can create it from, let's say, I can create the flow from like AI also. Okay, so here I will be creating a flow using template. So this and we cancel it. Open the Power Automate main page. First, first I will wait for it to open. Then I will go to create using AI. Okay. Right. I went to create using AI and to AI that I want to create a flow for every month, save my files to OneDrive and then to internal storage. So, what is the process for it? So, the first process for it is I have been asked at other options. So, I need to choose an option, start from a template or start from blank. Okay. So, I want to, or start from AI itself. So, I want to submit to AI and it says choose. I will click on start from template, and now here I have the power automate for choosing a template. So I will wait and choose a template for it. The session. Please quit if you are like so there are multiple options of a template. I have I can use any of the template. Overview or talking about the concepts we require for our exam. There are two main parts of it. I will share now a presentation and I will talk in it. Okay. So I'll be sharing the presentation soon. I'll be opening PowerPoint. Okay, let's go to PowerPoint. Okay. Sometimes this PPT does not download, so I'm going to tell you how to download it. You can visit from the website. Just head on to the three. So you can save in any folder you want, and this is downloaded. You can head to it. Okay, yeah, just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. I will share it. I will share it. A problem with screen share. Kindly reshare it. Okay. Now I will be sharing the presentation. Okay, with you all guys, and then I will start with my class. Okay, I will be sharing the presentation. Okay. So now I will be starting with my class, which is the next part of my class. Let's start. I hope presentation is visible to everyone. Let's see. It's not visible. In case beta, if it's not visible, let me check here once that it is visible or not. Let me check here. It is visible, beta. It is visible. You need to wait for some time. Okay. On this, I'll be going on beginners from beginning of the slide. So, okay. So just a minute while you get on to the slideshow. I've already started on the slideshow. So let me check. If it's not showing the slideshow, you can go on to our app also. You can head to our Digitech app, and from there you can watch it. It will show. Okay, from there it will show. Yeah, you can add to Digitech education website, and from there you can website or app. From there you can watch it. What's the lecture? Okay. From there you can go to the Microsoft Azure course. There will be sometimes there is problem on the YouTube server, so you can watch it from the Digitech server. Okay. Okay, let me check it for once. That was not sure. Let me once why it is not sure. Okay, I didn't share but an entire screen. That's why. Okay, so I will share now the entire screen, and then I will go to that PowerPoint presentation. Let me check here whether it is visible or not. It might be visible. It might be visible. Kindly check again. It's showing black screen. Just wait for a few minutes. If you are getting black screen, then please wait few minutes. I don't know because for me the screen is visible. Right? I'll check it once. For me the screen is visible. Right? So there might be a website issue is not there. There might be your operating system issue. Okay. If you're not getting the screen share, despite of me showing here some issue of yours, so you can check again back later. Okay. Here it is showing to me also that your connection is unstable. So that's what I suggest. Stock. I have here a PPT ready with me. That is a Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AI PPT, which is being ready with me. Yeah, now my connection is stable. And like to screen, which is usually a black screen. I usually choose black screen. Okay. Now this is ready for explanation. Okay. So now let's start. Okay. So today's lecture, the second part of the lecture, we will be considering about how to get ready for how to prepare for AZ-900 beginners exam. Okay. So first is you need to watch the complete lecture series till the lecture number sixth. I believe this is, yeah, till lecture number sixth. You need to watch the complete lecture series for the AZ-900 course, and after watching the complete lecture series for the AZ-900 course, lecture 1 to 6 parallel. Then what you can do is You can head to okay. After the lecture 1 to 6 watching, you can easily head to let's say practice assessment, practice exam, then live sandbox exam, and then final assessment. Okay, this is all the process. From here, you can take a screenshot, and this all is listed on the Microsoft exam portal too. So from there, you can see it. Okay. So from here, you can take the screenshot, or from there, you can see it. The choice is yours. The option is yours. Okay. So now, what do we do after the exam? After the exam, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours until your result is announced, and hence, when the result is announced, you can check for the certification you got and download the certification, and then you can come on to studying with me. The next course of the beginners level, it will be with me, that is Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals and Overview, that is AI 900. Okay, so I will be teaching it in the recorded session as I teach. Okay, and then we will having a live session to the discussion of it. Here we'll be studying upon the machine learning concepts. Okay, so an overview to the slides now I will be playing, which I've already recorded that session. So I believe you can just visit that session, and the time that will be saved by me in playing up that session, I will be using it to record the other session. Okay. Now next is thank you. So let me share up the session. Now I'm visiting to YouTube itself, and you can see the screen. So I will be going on to my channel and videos. And here it is. ऑडियो का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है क्या होता है चलिए तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा सेशन सो 1 2 3 नो क्या मेरी वॉइस क्या मेरी वीडियो सभी को दिखाई दे रही है क्या मेरी वीडियो सभी को दिखाई दे रही है हाय एवरीवन कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे वेलकम टू सबकी कक्षा एंड विच इज नाउ डिजिटेक ओके सो अभी तक जो है हमारा सबकी कक्षा टू बी ऑनेस्ट Google Meet, but I haven't used Microsoft Teams. That's the first time I'll be using. So, guys, if you have any questions. Okay, so let me come back. So, yeah. Okay. So that lecture I played for the 4 5 minutes. That lecture I will be giving on the link in the description. Let me attach the description. Let me attach the link in description. Sorry. So you can watch the lecture. Okay. So at the super end, I'm going to attach the link. So that's the link to the lecture. I took it 3 days ago, and you can watch it. That will be the upcoming session. That will be the slides for upcoming session I have. Okay, I've already shared it. Okay, and after that, if you want, I can lead the lecture over here, or if you want, we can meet on another lecture. You want to continue the session over here? Okay, I will play it. That's the lecture. Please keep on posting to the chat so I can easily answer your questions. Now, let's start with the course Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AI overview A Z-900. So, this is just a launch of the course, what we are going to study in this. So, we will be starting with the introduction to AI, as you can see here. Okay, and the components of AI and what all is included in AI, the key works with AI, modern key works with AI. Then followed by we will be studying on in this particular course. We will study the concepts of machine learning. We will next study now I will share it again. Just a minute. The screen time out was there.